Hey guys, this is the Lead King Russ Ward here, and what I want to show you in this quick demo video is an AI bot in action doing a database reactivation. So what a database reactivation is let's say you already have a database of leads, or you have leads that came in that were never contacted. You can send out a message from an AI bot and then invite them to reply, and then the AI bot will do everything from there. It will qualify them, it will give them a quote, it will set an appointment with them, whatever you tell it to do. So in this case, you can see a lead came in on January 30th. That was before I installed this AI bot on this client's account. And they created an opportunity. And this is a pressure washing company, right? So nobody contacted them until today. So I activated the bot today at 5:26 p.m. And you can see my bot said, "Hey there, my name is Olivia with Pressure's Exterior Cleaning. You recently acquired one of our services, and I wanted to reach out to you and let you know how we can help. My job is to answer your questions, provide you with a rough estimate of cost, help you set an appointment. Can you tell me a little bit about your project you have in mind?" And this is press reply stop to subscribe. So the guy replies, "The deck needs stripped and redone as well as the rails." He says, "Hey, George, thanks for reaching out to our deck cleaning service. Before I can give you an estimate, could you please provide me with an approximate square footage of your deck? This will help me provide you a more accurate estimate." And he replies 16 by 16. So the bot was actually smart enough to go ahead and do the math for it. And then it says, "Thanks for providing that. Based on the size of your deck, it would be around $200, but please note this is only a rough estimate." And I programmed that in there specifically to let them know, hey, these are always rough estimates. However, on the back end of this, where the prompt is built, and this is really the most difficult part of these bots, is building a prompt into the bot that will give you everything you need, right? So in this case, I put all of his pricing in there for every different service you could have. And then I told the bot to calculate it in a bunch of different ways. So the bot calculated 16 by 16, came up with $200 for that. Now the price is probably going to be higher because the bot is probably just doing that for pressure washing. So that's why we tell him it's a rough estimate and we're going to set an appointment, right? And then he goes, "Well, would you like to schedule an appointment?" He says, "Yes. Let's get you on the calendar. What's worked best for you? Tuesday around 11. And now what you're going to see here is that the bot actually says that's available. Should we book it? It doesn't go back and forth. It doesn't say, here's a list of days available. Here's a list of times. It just checks the calendar. Boom, finds it. February 6th, 11 a.m. He says, yes. The bot creates an appointment. Opportunities updated with the appointment. And then right here, I didn't show this part because it shows his full name and I don't want to show that. But basically, this is just his confirmation text message and it lets him know. Now, on the other end of this, my client got a text message and said, "Hey, you have an opportunity or you have a appointment with this guy," and put it right on the calendar, let him know right away. This is one of the most powerful things an AI bot can do because you can take leads that have never been contacted before and you can go ahead and just send them a message. And remember, we have to be properly opted in. You can't just buy a list of 10,000 cell phone numbers and just blast them. That's illegal, and that will get your account banned. And if you do that on my platform, I'm going to ban you too. However, if you do have people that are properly opted in, you can go ahead and you can do this with them. And just like this one, it actually worked out really well, and he's going to have an appointment.